Hey there, Honda fans! Today, we're putting two rugged SUVs head-to-head. The 2026 Honda Passport and the 2025 Honda Pilot. Both bring Honda's reliability, comfort, and adventure-ready features. But which one is the better pick for you? Whether you need a two-row off-road warrior or a three-row family hauler, we got you covered. Let's dive in and see which Honda SUV takes the crown. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that bell for more. Rugged and ready for adventure, the 2026 Honda Passport comes packed with a 3.5-liter V6 pushing out 285 horsepower, and it's got all-wheel drive as standard nice. With a combined MPG of 20 to 21, it's got solid efficiency for a beefy SUV. Prices start at $44,750 and go up to $53,650. So it's not the cheapest, but you get a lot of cool features for the price. Oh, the big family hauler! The 2025 Honda Pilot rocks the same 3.5-liter V6 with 285 horsepower. But unlike the Passport, you can get it with front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. It gets a slightly better combined MPG of 20 to 22, which is always nice for road trips. Starting at $40,200 and topping out at $54,580, it's the more budget-friendly option for those who need extra seats. The Passport comes standard with heated side mirrors, because cold mornings are the worst. Wireless phone charging, Wi-Fi hotspot capability, and remote engine start. Yes, please. And don't forget that power tailgate. It's like magic. Plus, you get a huge 12.3-inch touchscreen as standard, while the Pilot starts with a tiny 7-inch screen. Oh, take that, Pilot! So, no conversation mirror and car PS system like the Pilot. How am I supposed to yell at my kids in the back? It also doesn't have a fancy multi-angle rearview camera with washers as standard. Oh, come on! Worst of all, only seats 5 passengers, while a Pilot can fit up to 8. That's a lot less room for carpooling to the donut shop. This thing's got tricks. The on-demand and trunk seat storage lets you stash the second row center seat in the trunk. Talk about convenience. It's also $4,000 cheaper than the Passport, so more money for snacks. Plus, you can get leather trim seats, which the Passport doesn't even offer. Fancy! Wait a minute. The Pilot starts with boring cloth seats while the Passport gets a mix of leather and cloth. That's not fair. It also comes with a puny 7-inch digital instrument cluster, while the Passport gets a big 10.2-inch screen. Boo! And while the Pilot only has 7 speakers as standard, the Passport bumps it up to 9. Come on, Honda, give the Pilot some love! The Passport is brand spanking new, so of course, Honda threw in all the latest gadgets and shiny features, but that also means it's got a heftier price tag. It even gets Honda dual handling assist to help it zip around corners, something the Pilot totally misses out on. And if you go for the Trailsport trim, you get off-road tuned suspension to tackle the rough stuff. Vroom vroom! Now, the Honda Pilot might not have a toasty heated steering wheel or standard all-wheel drive, but what it does have is a lower price tag and way more space, fitting at least 7 people. It also can come with cool stuff like a conversation mirror and an in-car PS system, so you can yell at the kids in the back without turning around. Oh, and don't forget, leather seats! The Passport doesn't even offer those. So which one's revving your engine? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell